Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the uses of some, any, and no. We use some with uncountable nouns in affirmative sentences and offers. For example, I would like some coffee. Would you like some juice? We use some with plural countable nouns. For example, there are some strawberries in the fridge. Would you like some biscuits? We use any with uncountable nouns in questions and negative sentences. For example, do you have any milk? Sorry, I don't have any milk. We also use any with plural countable nouns. For example, is there any butter in the fridge? No, there isn't any butter, but there is some cheese. We use no with uncountable nouns in affirmative sentences. For example, I'd like to make a sandwich. You can't make a sandwich. We have no bread. I want some ice cream. Sorry, we have no ice cream. We also use no with plural countable nouns. For example, there are no biscuits in the box. We have no clean dishes. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Have a nice day.